If you wanted to drive a small nail into a wooden barrel, all you would need is a hammer and a few hard hits. But what if that nail became a steel pile dozens of meters long and weighing tens of tons? How could you drive it into the ground? One idea would be to build a hammer 100 times larger, but a hammer that huge would be almost impossible to lift and swing. So instead, you take a steel weight weighing dozens of tons and let it fall freely from a great height onto the top of the pile. Every impact drives the pile a little deeper into the ground. However, after every strike, you have to lift the heavy weight back up with a crane, which is slow and inefficient. To solve this, you split the hammer into two parts and connect them with a sealed cylinder. Then you place gunpowder inside the cylinder. When the gunpowder explodes, it creates high-pressure gas that pushes the upper hammer into the air. Gravity then pulls it back down, where it crashes into the lower section and drives the steel pile deeper into the ground. But using gunpowder every day is dangerous, so you improve the design by installing a diesel fuel injector at the base of the machine. 3 guide rods keep the upper hammer and lower base moving together in a straight line. As the hammer falls, it rapidly compresses the air inside the cylinder. The air temperature easily rises above 300 degrees Celsius. When the hammer reaches its lowest point, the air is compressed the most. At that moment, the injector sprays a fine mist of diesel fuel into the hot air. Diesel ignites at around 200 degrees Celsius, so it bursts into combustion immediately. The explosion pushes the hammer back into the air. As the two halves separate, the exhaust gases escape. The hammer then falls again, compressing the air once more, and another burst of diesel combustion lifts it back up. This cycle repeats over and over. Every time the hammer falls, it strikes the steel pile and drives it deeper into the ground. To control exactly when the diesel is injected, you install a fuel control switch on the base. A curved lever is attached to the switch. As the hammer reaches the bottom of its stroke, a raised cam on the hammer presses against the lever, activating the fuel pump. The pump sends atomized diesel through the injector at precisely the right moment. With every drop of the hammer, the injector fires once, the diesel ignites, and the cycle repeats automatically. Congratulations! You've just invented the diesel pile driver.